Tickers on the rise and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future. Everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay.
All right. Good morning. Friday, May 23rd, Did we get in the markets today? Like I got an echo or something. Okay. Market open, hourly chart. A big drop overnight, didn't we? What happened? 500 points? Somebody didn't like something. We're getting this pullback we've been talking about. The top's been roundy. Been talking about that. Could pull back maybe to the 20,500. Support from back here. Pull down, go up. I know there's a lot of lines on the chart. $60-minute, huge gap. We are kind of getting a reversal pattern. We can get a push up here. Get rid of some of these old lines. Yeah, I like that. Get rid of that one. All right. 30-minute chart. Huge drop overnight. We are a bit oversold. So see if we can gather some support. Push up. Something like that. Minute. Yeah, looks like I took a trade this morning. Bot took a trade. Not me, the bot. So, one running trade on the bot so far today. Alright, I guess leave it there. Trying to zoom in a little bit, but go like that. Alright. 5-minute chart. I'm still testing my version of the open range strategy. One win, one loss yesterday on that. What was it? MNQ was a loss. ES was a win. So hasn't been doing the best lately. We got the MNQ still has a 80% profitability. MES still 78, so still worth keeping an eye on. Just going through a losing streak. Wall Street set the drop after Trump threatens EU, Apple with fresh tariffs. Okay, is that why we got the drop today? More Trump tariffs. Okay. Market pushes up. They talk about tariffs, push it back down. Market goes down. So they pause the tariffs. Market goes back up. If you also do investing like I do, buy when it goes down, sell when it goes up. People complaining are the ones that sold at the bottom. Still pushing. Hoping for a little bit more of a pullback. We don't really get those nowadays, do we? We get chop around like this and shoot up. Did add some songs to the player, so could have some new songs to check out. It's gonna be interesting. Songs that I made with AI. We don't have to put. Oh, you can see it there. Might have to put something on the screen telling what song's playing or something. Come up with different ideas about it. Thought we had more news today. We have a 10 o'clock news. About it, I guess. Guess we got a 3-day weekend. Monday's a holiday, right? I'll have to ask around. Pretty sure the market's closed Monday. Okay, so futures are closed Monday. As far as what I see. So, will be no stream Monday. And no stream Tuesday. So it's going to be a short week next week. Monday's a holiday. Tuesday I got other obligations. So no stream Monday or Tuesday. So hopefully everybody has a nice long weekend, get away from the markets. Take that time to enjoy life. What's our hourly look like? We're pushing up. Could see a buying tree. Would like more of a direction. I've been getting chopped up a lot lately. There we go. Could see a buy entry. Do have kind of an inverse hammer on the 5 minute. That's not the best. Although it is green. No, no buy entry. Go ahead and plot this, but we do have a few minutes, so it could change. Okay. Never did get that buy entry. On to the next. We do have the existing home sales 10 o'clock. And the chart shows it a medium folder. Financials use it showed it a red folder. So might move the market, might not. Trying to push up, but then it's still just kind of being choppy also. See the wicks here. At least it's not another inside day. So. Hopefully we get some kind of movement today. Check in on the music player. Let's see, let's listen to one of the songs. How about a funny one? Listen to a funny song. A little bit different. All right.
Another school lunch, another sloppy looking tray. Bread is hot and stale, milk smells like dirty underwear. Take my tray and throw it in my teacher's face. Food fight, oh no I'm safe. In a food fight, no hiding under the tables. It's a food fight. Stand up and throw your pie. Green beans sliding down the walls, spaghetti all over the floor. Teachers running in fright, girls screaming wild. Boys falling over tables, lunch trays flying through the air. Food fight, oh no I'm safe. In a food fight, no hiding under the tables. It's a food fight. Stand up and throw your pie. Green beans sliding down the walls, spaghetti all over the floor. Teachers running in fright, girls screaming wild. Boys falling over tables, lunch trays flying through the air. Food fight, oh no I'm safe. In a food fight,
Did say it was a little bit different.
under the tables. It's a food fight. Stand up and throw your pie. Mashed potatoes,
Stand up and throw your pie.
spinach in your hair. I'm taking out the principal when he comes through the door. Going hit him in the face with my sweet potato pie. Food fight, oh no I'm safe. In a food fight, no hiding under the tables. It's a food fight. Stand up and throw your pie. School lunch, another sloppy looking tray. Bread is hot and stale, milk smells like
Not really moving anywhere, but the delta's pushing quite a bit.
and throw it in my teacher's face. Food fight, oh no I'm safe. In a food fight, no hiding under the tables. It's a food fight. Stand up and throw your pie. Mashed potatoes to the face, spinach in your hair. I'm taking out the principal when he comes through the door. Going hit him in the face with my sweet potato pie. Another school lunch, another sloppy looking tray. Bread is hot and stale, milk smells like dirty
Delta's still spiking.
in my tray. And throw it in my teacher's face. Food fight, oh no I'm safe. In a food fight, no
All right, could take a buy here. Right.
Down the walls, spaghetti all over the floor. Teachers running in fright, girls screaming wild. Boys falling over tables, lunch trays flying through the air.
All right.
Food fights, no one's safe.
Another green trade for the day.
No hiding under the tables. It's a food fight. Stand up and throw your pie. Mashed potatoes to the face, spinach in your hair. I'm taking out the principal when he comes through the door. Going hit him in the face with my sweet potato pie. Food fight, no one's safe. In a food fight, no hiding under the tables. It's a food fight. Stand up and throw your pie. School lunch, another sloppy looking tray. Bread is hot and stale. Milk smells like dirty underwear. Take my tray.
Smells like dirty underwear.
Throw it in my teacher's face. Food fight, no one's safe. In a food fight, no hiding under the tables. It's a food fight. Stand up and throw your pie. Mashed potatoes to the face, spinach in your hair. I'm taking out the principal when he comes through the door. Going hit him in the face with my sweet potato pie.
All right, so that was one of them. About one more. This one's a little bit heavier. Try not to hurt yourself. All right, maybe we'll listen to a part of one more and then turn it off. A couple songs I was messing around with yesterday, creating with the AI.
I'm calling in all my favors and cashing in all my debts, and now you owe me a good time, and I know what you're gonna say next. You're trading futures, is it worth the price? Is it worth the price? Trading futures, is it worth the price? Is it worth the price? It's so cheap and I ain't paying the price. Too much and too late to think twice. No room for second thoughts. It's a bad time. You should know better than to take my advice. My heart was in the right place, but my head was not. And I think I knew better, but I got too caught up in the thought of trading futures.
All right, turn it down. There's something different. Go back to the elevator music. All right, I gotta grab me a drink, use the bathroom, be right back. All right. Market trying to push up. So I was playing around. Uh-oh. What? Check. Okay. Technical difficulties. I was playing around with the AI yesterday, making a few songs. Do want to make some more songs. Not like that, but There's funny songs or something about futures we can listen to while we're trading. Have to get some input from people, what kind of songs they would like to see created and put on the stream. All right, let's check out back to the hourly, zoom out. Four-hour chart, big bullish candle. Have this gap here. Support zone. Been talking about the market kind of rounding over for over a week now. Of course, they're blaming it on tariffs and everything else. They always have an excuse when the market goes down. Reality is, we needed somewhat of a pullback. Now we're a bit oversold, so push up a little bit. I'm still keeping an eye on the 15-minute open range, but I have it set to where it won't take the trade till after 11:30, I think. Yeah, 11:30. I don't know why this set it to where the time's off. Got me an hour behind. I don't know how to fix that. Yeah, same thing. Neither want to take a trade until after 11:30. So it's going to plot the open range. That's these dots here. See open range. Trailing tool would work. And that's also going to add a time factor. The open range is going to be first 15 minutes. And then it's going to add a time factor of 11:30. It's basically the same strategy, just saying it's not going to take it until after 11:30. And of course I got the regular bot. Just took a trade this morning. So far, one trade for me, one trade for the bot. So, would like to see another trade or two. So I'm not going to ask too much for a Friday. What would we like to see now? Push up, get above the open range high, come back, retest. Go to the 21,039. I'd like to take the open range, pull back, breakout, pull back. Maybe take that for 10-15 points. Would like to eventually get the bot to where it can take the breakout and pullback test for a scalp trade. Tried before to set it up that way, couldn't get it to work. So it's something I'd like to eventually get to work. Gotta work it out. To have the NQ down 1.1% on the day. ES is down about 0.9%. Just making back some of the losses. Need some kind of a pullback here or a breakout or something. Don't want to trade at the high. Check on a few stocks, see what's moving the market today. Bitcoin's down 1.7 after making a new all-time high. What was the high on that? 112? I haven't even checked my position. Really on Bitcoin, I don't care if it goes up or down. They just keep giving me. I got this BITO. They just keep giving me more shares. You know. All right, what we got? Microsoft. Go through it quickly, get back to the chart. Microsoft's almost at the high. Come on. Got about 3%. Apple's down 2.4%. Must be something with those tariffs. I mean, realistically, they're overvalued anyways. We need to see Apple come down. Around the 122, 130. Nvidia, same thing. Google, I still think is undervalued. I think Google's the better buy right now. And Meta. I'd like to see a pullback in Meta, but still think it's a decent value. I bought a bunch of shares right down here at the bottom. And then sold them right here. What was the top? I got a breakout. Oh, we got a VWAP right there too. I don't know about that. Delta spiking. I don't know. I want to, but I don't want to be that guy buying going right into VWAP. And we're pushing from way down here. So it's not like we came up the VWAP and then kind of chopped around and then pushed through. I don't know. Maybe I'll take it with a 1 lot. Just to kind of watch it. I think we're good to go up. There's really nothing here till we get to 2139. But I'd actually rather see this kind of push up and jump in with that. And we missed the entry by what? Tick? Got missed by about a tick. Maybe 2. Try this. Still don't like that right to VWAP, but anyway. All right, tagged in. I'm not going to give it all that. Like it'd be right and under that. Not looking good. I'm just going to take that off. Not smart to be trading around the VWAP anyways. What was that? 6.5? $6.5 points. Yeah, I guess it was a good idea to take it off. Puts me what? About still up about 15 on the day. 15 points. On to the next trade. Where? That one off. There we go. Still think we're going up to the 21.39. Got to find a decent entry signal to get in. Getting a little bit of pullback. After the stream today, I gotta change the oil in my motorcycle. A buddy of mine called and he's like, "Hey man, we going riding this weekend or what? Holiday weekend?" Like, yeah man, but I gotta change the oil in my motorcycle. I had a oil pan that I used to change the oil, and it disappeared. I think one of the kids buried it or something. Probably out there playing in the dirt, burying my stuff. I know there's a way to put what song's playing on the chart. I actually got it on one of the other scenes, but I'll have to figure it out. Put on this one. Show music information. I don't see it. Where would I put it? I don't know where I'd put it. Guess I'll leave it there for now. What if? Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna try that.
Another school lunch, another sloppy looking tray. Bread is hot and stale. Milk smells like dirty underwear. Take my tray and throw it in my teacher's face.
Okay. Pushing back up, we are breaking a trend line with a bullish pattern. We'll get a pullback. Would like to get in here. Got a bullish pattern on the 5-minute also. Don't know. Let's pull back to the 962. We do that. What I might do, might just have to jump in. Alright, jump in half a lot there. I do think we've already tested this view up, so I do think we want to go through it.
Potatoes to the face, spinach in your hair. I'm taking out the principal when he comes through the door.
Alright, so we get. Gonna have to hold. A little bit more room. Am I at 67? Would actually like the 47. Not looking good. We got a lot of bearish delta come in. I'm gonna take 2 off. Break even. Still got bearish delta. Gotta see some buyers step in. Still not seeing buyers. Okay, dropped out. What was that? That was the... So that was the break even there. 14 points. Okay, on to the next. That puts me about break even. Okay. Do you think it was a good trade? Got a breakout. See here, trend line breakout. We already tested the VWAP once, so thought we could break through. Got in with a half a lot on the early entry, and then added to it on the pullback, and then got out of the half lot at the break even to give me that better entry, and then just didn't work, so that's fine. I'm good with the trade as long as it's got a plan and we follow it, right? That's what allows me to not be perfect and take losses, and you'll have green days. We are getting kind of choppy. We especially see it on the ES chart. Right here. That's the ES chart. We are getting a bit choppy. We'll be pushing back up for, what was this, third attempt? 1, 2, third attempt. Still think we're bullish. Although, I don't know. Did not make a new high. So we have a failed high. Trying to push up again. All right, be right back. All right, trying to push up again. VWAP is kind of flat, kind of going back and forth around it. I do think we can break through. Be the third test of it. And we're good to what, 21.85, 21.39. Not really much in this area. We got 10.35. Trying to push. I do think it works. Don't think I want to try it for the third time. Futures flow, I just went to your stream. Looking at you now. Any idea why I don't see how many likes? Just curious because I see it on other channels and videos, but not your stream. Oh, that's probably one of the settings. Let's see. VWAP got me. The VWAP got me twice. Show how many likes. There it is. Now maybe it's there. Where was the setting? In the details, all the way at the very, very bottom. All the way down. What are you in a short? That's what we're here for, is for information. And to have a good time. Me neither. I want to get out of this area. I was jamming earlier. Did you hear any of the songs I was playing? I made me a few songs on the Suno yesterday. All right, be back in 2 minutes. All right. Push back over here. Still chopping around this VWAP. I don't know. Thought it would have broke it. So had I got in, I'd have got stopped out again. That's pretty close to a measured move, huh? Look at that. Yeah. Nice measured move. Yeah, 30-minute chart. I don't know. It's 1, 2, 3 attempts. Maybe they can't do it. Maybe go back down. They are still under the moving average, 5-minute moving average. This might be the halfway mark also. What, here? Yep. That's going to give us our halfway mark. Fib levels are going to be in there, kind of like that. So maybe that's why we're seeing more of the bear step in. Where? There we go. So We are still below the moving average. Still bearish. Then we also have this gap here. We have the gap. We have the halfway mark. Your 50% retracement. And the moving average. Yeah, more stuff about the tariffs. Once again, the market needed a pullback anyways. Do I got futures floor muted, or is he not talking? It's on now. Uh-oh. They probably work better than most of them. They're selling. I was saying we do have that 50% retracement on the 5-minute chart. I also have a 5-minute gap we're at. I do it different every time. Also, we have a measured move. If we go from, what's this, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, we measure Wednesday's move, matches up perfectly for today. Kind of interesting. And if you look at the day in between, that's kind of the pullback for the measured move. Good trade. That never seems to work for me. I get murdered one way, I reverse it, I get murdered the other way. I see one. Them 104. Oh yeah, that looks much better. Let me turn the quality up. There we go. Must have been a long. Okay. So are you. Look, I've taken one, two, I've taken 3 trades today. You talking about my entries? There we go. There's my entries for the day. Guess points. I like to go by the points. Kind of takes the monetary value out of it. Like we're playing a video game, getting points. Plus, if I trade different sizes, then the larger the number, the more you get emotional to it. So if it's all points, it's all the same. Futures, I tried out that site you told me yesterday, and then I went back to the Sunco site. I think I like the Sunco better. What was it you told me? Refusion. It did good too. I think maybe they've updated the Sunco. Oh no, I just used the free version. I haven't used it in a while. I had like 1,000 credits. Yeah. What you do is you forget about it for a while. You come back, you got like 1,000 credits. My bot went short on the Ninja Trader, but not the Trading View. No matter how hard I try, I can't get them to be the same. Oh, you're short too. Okay. I think my problem is I think my Ninja Trader's off time. Like you're on Ninja Trader right now, right? What are you on? 1 minute chart. If you put your cursor on the current candle, what's it say? The time is. So you got 11 o'clock. Let me go back. What do I got? Yeah, it says 11 o'clock. But the clock on my computer says 10:59. I don't know. Okay. See? Learned something new. So TradingView gives you when it starts, I guess. My bot missed its target by 1 tick. 2 ticks. Missed its target by 2 ticks. Whatever. Get me out. I use the AI. Mm-hmm. I actually have more issues with NinjaTrader. To me, NinjaTrader's the hard one. But I just use the free version of the AIs. I cycle through them. Yeah. I use there's a lot Strategy Builder can't do. Or if you get as close as you can, then give it to the AI. I use ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Grok, Gemini, and the other day I actually used Microsoft Bing. So I'll go through one till it runs out and then switch to another one. But yeah, I use the Strategy Builder sometimes, but I just feel like it's got its limitations. Yeah, but if you want to add to where like you can change your strategy, like maybe you want to change the moving average or the take profit. What's up? Okay. Give me just a second. I gotta lower my take profit. I've been missing by like 2 ticks lately. Okay, let's do that. All right, where you at? Okay, I see you now. Mm-hmm. Okay. Took a short trade, huh? Got short. Been getting chopped out lately. Think we could do a short. Trying to go short. Gotta get the bears to come in. They all stopped out. Okay, on to the next. Oh, my price drawings disappeared. Oh, whatever. Wait, I know what it is. There it is. Operator error. All right, 4 trades for the day. 1 win, 2 losses. Win was bigger than both the losses, and a break even. So, yeah, still break even on the day. And then 2 trades for the bot. 1 win, 1 break even. On screen now is my trading. The bot's on another chart. I don't know how to. Guess I could put it on this screen. I don't know. Futures floor trading bot. When it's winning, right? Not when it's losing. When it's winning, we call it futures floor trading bot. When it's losing, we call it not futures floor trading bot. Oh, come on. Mine's still better than his. Yeah. I went by his stream the other day, and he was on with another streamer. And all of a sudden, out of nowhere, he's like, "Oh, I made $25,000." And the other guy just looks at him like, "When?" Of course, he don't show anything. He just pops a number out of nowhere. "Oh, I made $25,000." Like, come on, Patrick, really? And people believe that. People believe that stuff. I want some pizza. I try to get the pullback, fight for the better prize, goes without me. I jump right in, it goes against me. Whatever. It's Friday. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So I was using a wider stop. What? Right. I was using a wider stop and I was winning a lot more trades, but then the losing trades kind of hurt. So now I'm using a tighter stop so I could take a lot more losses and still be green at the end of the day. So I got to trying to fight for that better price. I think right now I'm using a 18-point stop. Before I was using a 27. So if I can get that 4 or 5 point pullback, kind of evens it out. Still trying to push down. Nah, I think I'm good where I'm at. So futures market's completely closed Monday, right? Or at least during the morning session. I think so. That's what I got from it. I didn't hear that. I don't know why I'd close at noon today.
Another school lunch, another sloppy looking tray. Bread is hot and stale, milk smells like dirty underwear. Take my tray and throw it in my teacher's face. Food fight, no one's safe in a food fight. No hiding under the tables, it's a food fight. Stand up and throw your pie. Green beans sliding down the walls, spaghetti all over the floor. Teachers running in fright, girls screaming wild. Boys falling over tables, lunch trays flying through the air.
Futures, I think I missed if you said it closed at 12 today. Did you find that out? Okay. So 3-day weekend. Actually, I'm gonna be out Tuesday also. I have kindergarten graduation Tuesday. So. All right, I'm gonna get out of here. It's gonna do it for me. Yeah. Took me a long time. I thought about that. No, I think he's in Miami, right? I think he's in Miami. I have to go in his chat and find out if he's in Miami. No, I'm more. Uh-oh. I didn't do it. Oh man, I thought I was the only one picking my nose. Confusing. I'll have to get my son involved in that one. I mean, that's basically what streamers do, right? I've been sitting here for months talking to myself. Yeah, I got a button for mine. I just pressed the button. There you go. No, I use Prism Live Studio. It's called Prism Live Studio. It's really the only one I tried. You like use OBS, right? Do you like OBS? Oh. Yeah, that's something different. I think you do that separately with let's see if I can find it. So you have Nightbot, write that one down, Nightbot. And then you have Streamlabs. And then I think there's another one. And it's free, you just set up an account. I think Streamlabs is free too. I think some of the stuff's free, some of it you pay for. think I have it, but I don't watch my stream on the thing, so I don't know if I see it. I don't know how you see it. Do you have a monitor for your stream? Well, I have it over there. I have the stream over there. On the big screen. I got my setup and I got the big screen over there. Yeah. All right, Futures, good talking with you. I gotta go. Have a good weekend. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for me today. Appreciate everyone hanging out. Have a good holiday weekend. Yeah, if you're green, don't give it back. If you're red, don't go on tilt. Always next week. We got to preserve that emotional capital first. All right. Appreciate everyone hanging out.
The trading day is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With NASDAQ's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. The markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trading. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Well, the trading day is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled, now we call it a day. With NASDAQ's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Well, the trading day is done. The chart